IT Wing RERF is organizing Virtual Table Talk with IT professionals, where renowned IT professionals will share their views on how Raj Yoga and spirituality can help with work efficiency and effectiveness. There will be discussions on many topics like stress management, leadership, developing positive attitude, self empowerment, increasing self esteem, and many more.
Om Shanti, welcome to Virtual Table Talk with IT Professionals. हम आज जुड़ रहे हैं मुंबई में रह रहे हैं कविता जी, जो पिछले 15 वर्षों से आईटी कंपनी में टीसीएस में जॉब कर रहे हैं और पिछले 2 वर्षों से राजयोगा मेडिटेशन का अभ्यास कर रहे हैं। तो आज हम उनसे मिलते हैं। वेलकम कविता जी।
Om Shanti.
ओम शांति।
Hi everyone, I'm Kavita. I'm working in TCS from past 15 years and I have been associated with Raj Yoga meditation since last 2 years. So basically I'm working as a auditor. So I audit many projects. So weekly at least 2-3 projects are audited by me. And there are around 50 projects. So basically, I handle all core banking and capital markets projects in TCS.
तो आप नए अभी जुड़े हैं राजयोगा से, तो आप कैसा अपने अंदर कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन या क्या फील करते हैं?
Yeah, basically, Raj Yoga meditation has helped me a lot in improving my stability and also the decision taking power. It has enhanced my overall productivity also. Basically, I meditate every day twice, morning and evening. So basically, this particular meditation and connecting with God has helped me a lot in my day-to-day activities. So earlier, I was having a lot of waste thoughts, negative thoughts. So all those have reduced a lot significantly. Now I see everyone in a positive way. So it enhanced my positivity in my life. And also I interact with multiple stakeholders daily. So daily I audit a project. So I interact with that project manager, business analyst, and the technical lead, functional lead, and many different roles. So basically I meditate and I remain very quiet and positive. So that way, during my audit also, the audit happens very smoothly without any, much issues or, it ends in a peaceful way. And also as part of audit checkpoints, they have to share me all the artifacts, whatever I ask. So finally, they agree to the action items and they share all the artifacts also, and we end the audit in a peaceful way. So in that way, Raj Yoga meditation has helped me in establishing good relations with everyone, and be it officially or personally also. Like we handle with many relations in our personal life also. So all these.
अगर हम पर्सनल लेवल पे बात करते हैं कि राजयोगा ने आपको हेल्प किया, तो उसमें आपको क्या बेनिफिट हुआ? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कई हमारे आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स ने बोला कि हमें टाइम मैनेजमेंट आ गया राजयोगा से। जो काम हम पहले ज्यादा टाइम लगाते थे फिर कम टाइम में करने लगे। तो आपको पर्सनल लेवल पे किस तरह से हेल्प हुई?
Right. So हमारे लाइफ में we manage our time to 3 zones: work zone, पर्सनल जोन, एंड लाइक 8 hours हम लोग डिवाइड कर सकते हैं हमारा 24 hours को. So 8 hours we have to do our professional job. Okay, and 8 to 9 hours we have. For sleep we dedicate 7 hours. So 7 plus 8 is 15 hours. So another 9 hours we are left. So out of those 9 hours, you divide those 9 hours into 3 hours each. So first 3 hours, that 1 hour you spend for your meditation. 1 hour for your health hygiene, okay, and 1 hour for your physical health. Okay, 3 H's we can say. Then 3 F's: family, friends, 1 hour for friends, 1 hour for family, and 1 hour for your hobby. You can take any one hobby. And also the rest 3 hours you can spend like you do basic walking, stretching, the physical activity. Also you have to improve your physical activity, and 1 hour for your spiritual activity. So like that you have to divide your whole day into proper planning, so that you can stabilize, and you can properly manage or maintain your personal as well as professional life as well as spiritual life. So that way
आपने बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से बताया कि आपने जो 24 आवर्स को कैसे डिवाइड किया, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग इसको ऐसे डिवाइड कर लेते हैं बट उसको एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाते.
राइट. तो एक्चुअली हमको प्लान करना चाहिए उस तरफ से, सो दैट यू एग्जीक्यूट इट प्रॉपरली. मेंटेन स्ट्रिक्ट बाउंड्रीज. इतना दिस टाइम इज फॉर माय दिस एक्टिविटी. So when you are disciplined, first you have to be self-disciplined. So first maintain your self-disciplines and accordingly follow this activity or plan. Whatever plan you do for that day, you execute it fully. So at the end of the day, you sleep peacefully for 7 hours, then get up fresh and plan your activity daily and execute it. So to execute that also we need a lot of patience, lot of honesty and discipline. All these you have to apply all these principles in our day-to-day life. And also I use that 1 minute meditation. So for every 1 hour, take out 1 minute and do the meditation for at least 60 seconds. So that will help us, for 1 hour, if we dedicate 1 minute for meditation, so we will be very much energetic and we get a lot of energy from God. So basically that has also helped me a lot. Pause for a minute, meditate, connect to the God, then you feel fresh, and then you get energy for next 59 minutes.
ये तो था पर्सनल लेवल की बात. उसके बाद हम आते हैं अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, अपने ऑफिस में पहुंचते हैं, तो वहां पे क्या होता है कि बहुत सारी बातें कई बार हो जाती हैं. हम अपने एक माइंडसेट के साथ आते हैं ऑफिस में कि मैं तो बहुत अच्छे से तैयार होके पूरे घर के काम निपटा के और ऑफिस में बहुत अच्छे से आज रहूंगी, बट कुछ ऐसा सीन वहां पे बन जाता है कि हम भूल ही जाते हैं अपना जो ये प्लान, जो भी आपने प्लान किया कि अभी मैं अपने साथ जो टाइम बिताया, स्पिरिचुअल स्टडी की, उसके बाद जब आप ऑफिस में गए तो कुछ ऐसा सीन बना कि आप वहां डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हो, फिर वहां भूल जाते हैं कि हमने क्या प्लान बनाया है. खुद के जो 1 मिनट वाला जो प्लान है वो वहां पे कैसे एप्लीकेबल है.
एक्चुअली हम ऑफिस में जाते हैं विद आवर ओन प्लानिंग, but sometimes it happens that वहाँ के लोग or some situation which will disturb us, right? So in that case what you have to do is सबको एक brotherhood की नजर से देखना चाहिए. So we are all souls basically. We are all the children of the same God. So we have to visualize everyone in such a way that we see only a soul in their face, a tiny point of light. So that way, whatever is the situation, we don't be disturbed. The moment you realize that you are a soul and the opposite person is also soul, and he is playing an act, this is all a drama. This is a drama of 5,000 years, we can say. So every scene is happening as per the drama. So if you visualize in that way, and if you feel that God is our companion, so in every situation you take God and they call Sakshi and Sati. So whenever you keep God as your companion and you see it in a Sakshi Drushta Bhav, That means you have to visualize that scene, that you are seeing it from the top of the world. So you are a third actor in that. So the moment you visualize that it is a scene or a drama, you don't be disturbed. You will never be disturbed by any scene or acting. We feel that it happens in every 5,000 cycle.
जो आपने एक वर्ड यूज किया साक्षी दिष्टा, तो क्या हम इसे कोई भी डिस्टरबेंस का परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन कह सकते हैं या टेम्परेरी सॉल्यूशन है ये?
We see it as an observation, so we will never be disturbed, and it solves over 99% of our problems basically.
तो आप कुछ मतलब आपकी लाइफ से जुड़ा हुआ कुछ ऐसा हमें एग्जांपल बताएं कि आपने जब ये प्रैक्टिस की, डिस्टरबेंस हुई, आपने ये जो वर्ड यूज किया ऑब्जर्वेशन, तो इसकी आपने कैसे प्रैक्टिस की?
एक्चुअली हमारा ऑफिस में भी ऐसा कोलीग्स होते हैं जो डिस्टर्ब करते हैं whenever we go there. So actually I visualize that God is with me always, and it is all part of the drama. So if you visualize it in that way and see it as an observation, you are never disturbed. Take it in a positive way always. So automatically the other person भी उसका effect से he will also become a friend to you. You will never disturb. So that way I am able to manage my both personal as well as professional life. So now from last 1 year we are all doing work from home. So to Corona we are all at home, virtually connected with each other. So now that kind of scenes are now no more. Earlier we were in office and there were some internal politics also going on there. वो सब तो नहीं है. So now we are working peacefully from home. And
आपने कहा कि आप घर में हैं, तो घर में भी ऑफिस का काम चल रहा है आपका, और पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और आपकी जो फैमिली लाइफ है वो तीनों एक ही प्लेस पर चल रही हैं. तो उस टाइम पे भी बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस जो है आपको फेस करने पड़ते हैं. तो उस टाइम पे जो ये तरीका आपने आजमाया होगा?
Yeah, actually I have 2 kids, 2 girls. One is of 13 years and the other one is of 7 years. So उनका भी ऑनलाइन स्कूल चलता है डेली मॉर्निंग 8:30 to 1:30. So there are challenges, but still I am busy with my meetings, office work. They are busy with their own school, online school. But this meditation has helped me to stay cool and stay positive in my life, both with my children, husband, as well as with office colleagues, stakeholders, my boss. So basically we get a lot of energy from God and we remain positive throughout our day, and we can manage everything with meditation.
तो आपने बहुत कम टाइम में हमारे साथ जुड़कर आपने ओवरऑल अपनी लाइफ के बारे में बताया कि राजयोगा ने आपको किस तरह से हेल्प की, पर्सनल लाइफ में जो सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन है उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस बताई, और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आपको आपकी जो हर एक प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन है, परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन बताया कि ऑब्जर्वेशन अगर आपकी अच्छी है तो आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो सकते. और फैमिली लाइफ में देखें तो भी सब कुछ मैनेज करके चलने की जो ताकत है वो परमात्मा की शक्ति से आई. मेडिटेशन पावर का आपने किस तरीके से यूज किया और हमारे साथ शेयर किया, इसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ओम शांति.
Thank you so much. Actually, I have to thank you all for giving me a good opportunity to interact with you all and share my experience. Thank you so much. Shanti.
To know more, log on to www.bkitving.org. You can also get the updates on our social media handles with the name BK IT Wing.